Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'll show you how you can get an authentication code for Instagram. So, if Instagram is asking for authentication code, here's how you can get it. For that, first of all, you have to open up your email and then select all inboxes. Now, Instagram usually sends the authentication code to the email linked to your account. So check that. Also check the spam or promotion folder. Next, you can check your SMS messages. If your phone is linked to your Instagram account, the code may be sent as a text message, so make sure your phone has a signal and can receive SMS. Also, if you have used 2FA, open up your authenticator application such as Google Authenticator, Authy, or Microsoft Authenticator, and the app will generate 6-digit code that refreshes every few seconds. Enter the current code in Instagram. If you're not receiving any code, you can simply tap on Try Another Way on the Instagram login page and then choose Send SMS, Send Email, or Get Support. You can even request a login link by selecting Forgot Password and following steps to receive a secure login email. That's it. Thank you all for watching. If this video was helpful, leave a like and sub, and I'll see you in the